tasty breakfast at the Sandpiper Cafe. Really good place. Got to show you what the ravens look like around here. They're huge. So this is referred to as the glory hole. So here we go, a little better view. There's no fence in the way right here. This is the glory hole. Apparently this is was dug a long time ago, back in the day. And at one point there was actually a tunnel that went from this hole down here about 5 miles that way to the city of Juneau.
Yep.
What?
Don't say it.
The Waffle House is closed.
Oh, really?
I'm serious, yeah.